Installing the Diggz Free99 Kodi Addon is a straightforward process that opens up a world of free streaming options. First, head to the system settings by clicking the gear icon at the top left. From there, navigate to File Manager and select Add Source on the left. Click where it says None and enter the URL https://nebulous42069 github.io/Diggzy/. Name it Diggz Repo and click OK. Double-check your entries, then return to the main menu and click on Addons. Select the add-on package installer icon at the top left, then choose Install from zip file. If prompted, ensure Unknown Sources is enabled. A box will pop up. Select Diggz Repo and click Repository Diggz 23.1. Wait for the notification that the Diggz repository is installed. Now, click Install from Repository, select Diggz Repo, then Video Add-ons, and finally click on Diggz Free99. Hit Install, and you're all set. Enjoy browsing movies and TV shows with ease, but remember, free links can be a bit tricky, so patience is key.